What you said?
You're gonna be.
You said I thought what?
You're gonna build house for chickens.
Yeah, for chickens. We're gonna do the chickens, but now it's bees. And as you saw, what I did like 2 hours ago.
Where's your smoke thing?
Tomorrow I'm gonna fish, right?
Yeah,
I'm going fishing. Yeah.
God.
I'm bored. I don't know what to do in the house. I'm gonna.
New Nikes. So pretty. What are these? Air 270s. They're so dope. The best ever. My husband bought these for me because my feet hurt. Guys, what's up? What's up? So today is surgery post-op appointment with my doctor. It's been 5 days out. Had my surgery on Thursday. Today is Wednesday. 6 days. Still some tenderness, but nothing major. I don't feel like I have to reach for my pills that much. Just if I've like overdid it, if went out and try to do stuff that I shouldn't be doing. So right now I'm on my way to go see him. I'll do like weigh-ins and stuff, I guess, with you guys. It's gonna be 3 months until revision surgery, I guess. So I guess I'll be going for the next 3 months. One appointment, I guess. I don't know. I'm leaning towards Ruin wine. Just because I don't think a sleeve is gonna help. And right now it's like I can eat. I think I had Chipotle last night. I just eat. I like chew it, like really chew it when I was supposed to be doing anyway. But I can tolerate pretty much anything, I guess. By now, but I don't like super sweet things at all. I'm not craving sweets at all now. I don't know why. Even like my beloved coffee, like I can get, it's just too much. I don't know. I can't even finish it like a medium, like half of it, and I'm like, ugh, I'm trying to drink a lot of more water. I did download the bariatrics app. He wants me to learn how to use that or whatever, so I'll try to do that probably, but it looks like that factory's open. Vegas, I don't know. Vegas is supposed to be open by the time we're going. We're going in early June. It's not the first week. It's probably like, we're going like the second week in June. I don't know. I think I'm going to call the hotel and see what they suggest. But I don't think like I don't think the higher end hotels are going to be opening until August, which it won't be fun, like to go to see, I don't know, you guys. I don't know if there's not going to be shopping, I don't know if I should go or wait or like wait another month. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm torn. Are the pools gonna be open? You know what I mean? Like, and plus this is gonna be a trip for my girls. Well, my oldest, it's for her graduation. That's my gift to her. The first adult trip, I guess. And Aisha's getting to go a bonus, so she ought to be glad. I'm like late. I'm supposed to be there at 9:40 right now, but I'm getting ready to pull up into the doctor's office. I don't know, you guys. I don't know what to do. I was gonna wait until May 1st and see, but supposedly they're not opening until, oh wait, is this it? No, this isn't it. Supposedly they're not opening till know, like everything's not opening until June 1st, and that is like, I thought they were going to be opening like May 15th, and they would know. I don't know, you guys. It's just, I know there's going to be major deals if I go earlier, you know, because they want to like get people in there. I don't know, y'all. Leave that in the comments below. Early June, do you think Vegas is a go or what? Because I'm confused. Let me know. I'm here at the office, so I'm going to shush on in there, and then I'll record my weight and blah, blah, blah. I don't know if this is even going to be interesting to you guys. Bye. So, I went to Big Lots, you guys. This is the candy section. It's like some gummy sushi. And like always, I'm always drawn to little kid shit. I don't know. Some kind of mental disturbance I have. I don't know. And that's some like gummy pizza. And whatnot. Now we're in the furniture section. They've totally remodeled the store. And it's looking a little more high-end in here, which is good for Big Lots, I guess. I'm liking some of these beds. Looking good. But I wanted to come and see the outdoor furniture. They have like some mage outdoor furniture. I love this round number. Really cool. And it's like one of the only stores open, so I'm kind of making the rounds of the stores that are open. Like, ugh. And so, just checking out the furniture. Plus, I want to buy a set for my porch. I just don't know what kind. That's a really cute set for like $300, you know? It's not bad. But I really like, I like that as well. But I really like this round one. But I like this cage, like, chair thing. It's really cool. They've just got some really nice stuff. Loves it. Loves it. Not a bad price on it, I guess. Not really sure. I think TJ Maxx has some too. But Lord knows I would never, I don't know how I would get it home. Dilemma. Just really cute options for your outdoor furniture. And Big Lots, their section is better than Lowe's, I think. And this one too. This table I love. Does it have the fire? Fire pit table. And the 7 chairs. Love it. Oh my god, this is the best. This is what I would want to get. Sorry for the voiceover, but Big Lots was blaring copyright music, so you know I'm trying to make those big bucks up in here. Like, never gonna happen. Anyway, I'm gonna take that back. I'm going to be a major YouTuber one day. Okay, back to Big Lots. There's they've got some cute decorations. Nothing that made me want to buy them, but I'm just sharing you what they have, or sharing with you what they have. Pretty stuff. But like I said, I'm just killing time in the store, and they had some cute stuff, these tumblers and whatnot. Like I said, I wasn't really looking to buy anything, just to kill time. All of this beachy stuff was so cute, but I just don't think it makes sense for Kentucky, but it's really cute. It reminds me of Florida or somewhere. And I guess that's the whole point. It's really cute though. And then those were so cute. Little faux neon things. And then here's the succulents, fake plants, boho vibes. Then I went to the makeup section and I found all of this kawaii cute stuff. And this is like, once again, right up my alley. But look at all these soaps that were like cute, but I refrained from getting those. And then here's like the little girls' room section, I guess. I don't know why I'm obsessed with little kid stuff. It's really weird. I need psychiatric help. Anyway, I mean, it's just really cute to look at, you know? So I did pick these up because I do have a collection of cute little chapsticks, and they were $1. So I'm at Kroger's and I want to make myself a flower bath, looking at all the bouquets that are like on sale and trying to figure out which one would be the best for a flower bath. Like, you know, when you see in Bali and shit, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, okay, guys. Next day, I'm gonna make a flower bath like I'm in Bali, because why not? So I got all these flowers to make me a pretty bath. Isn't that gonna be pretty? Oh, so yesterday I said I was gonna do all this stuff with the weight loss thing. I bought this dress yesterday at Family Dollar. It's so cute, for $12.50. And I get there, which is, I'm gonna dye my hair pink today. Actually, I'm gonna do two things. It's gonna be a pink day today. I'm gonna try to make me a really cute bath, although I don't have any Lush, which sucks ass. What else? Okay, yeah, so I went to the doctor. I was gonna get weighed in, blah blah blah. It was cold today. It's like, it was so warm and pretty yesterday. Now it's cold today. What's going on? Okay. To do weigh in and everything, and I get there and they're like, your appointment's tomorrow, Heather. And I was like, oh my god. So today I had to get up and do the whole thing again. And I didn't feel like, you know, I was late. I mean, I didn't even get to brush my hair. I mean, I am clean. But saw Dr. Train, and we discussed room Lyme, and he said that he had lost one patient because her bowels got tangled up or something, and she ended up dying. And whatever. Seem to be tolerating sugar-free better. And I'm getting a small one. Or smaller. Medium, okay. Medium. I should go get some Epsom salt for my bath, shouldn't I? I'm sure I've got some kind of salt somewhere. I'm sure I've seen it. Oh, and oh my God, you guys. I finally carved out a space for myself. See, I cannot sleep with my husband. I can't. Like, I cannot sleep with him. Anyway, he took the topper of the mattress off, and then I had dumpster dived this big friggin' air mattress. It's been in the garage for like, I don't know, 5 months. And I got on that day, see, I dumpster dive and I don't tell you guys what I found. So that day I found like this home surround sound system. I found that mattress, a bunch of stuff. Okay, one day I was like, I got my whole car full and whatnot. It was so fun. And so I was like, I wanted to like do a fire right outside because I had went in my junk room and found like the magic rocks to make the fires different color, you know, and stuff. And they're like this cones. They're like actually like pine cones that you throw in the fire. And I was like, let's make a fire and let's lie out and do this and do some more and blah blah blah. And that was the night before my surgery. So we blowed it up because I didn't know if that was going to have a hole in it, what, you know, the pump, everything was in there. And it does hold air really well, but you do have to like put it back up, you know what I mean? I guess that's just the nature of blow mattresses or whatever. But anyway, this is not like just a typical blow mattress. This is like, I don't know, it's like this high off the ground. It's like 2 or 3 feet off the ground. And it's Coleman, and it was really nice. So I took all my stuff and made a bed in there. And like, it's the best thing ever. Oh, he is losing his stuff. Uh-oh. And it was like the best thing ever. And I don't know, I'm rambling. And I got this log from somebody was throwing away all this wood, so I got this log the day before. It's still in here, you know, on the side of the road. Anyway, so I carved out a space. Now it's just cleaning it up because I have to organize all that stuff. I mean, if I showed you guys, it's like a hoarder room, okay? But it doesn't like have trash. It just has, although it probably does have some trash because we had to clean out a space. I had the twin bed in there that my daughter is using, the mattress, and then I had a bed from when my kids were babies in there, and we got that out because it was broken. I tried to fix my room before, and my kids went in there and they broke the bed. I was so annoyed, you know, like they take over my life. Anytime I bring a makeup brush in the house, my 19-year-old takes it. It doesn't matter how many I buy. Frustrating. So I had been sleeping on a couch with the folded over like thing, and it was just not comfy. And now I'm like so comfy, and I can actually sleep. That's why I feel so with energy, and this stupid lap band is out. I feel like a new person. Like, honestly, I feel so new. Not like now, like the, you know, like the swelling is going down. I can, you know, move and stuff. I'm just so excited about everything now. I saw my doctor today, and we discussed why I knew, and he said he did lose one patient, one died, so he's pretty honest. I didn't think that he was... Sorry, it's gross, I know. But I'm excited about doing my bath. Oh my god, I just run a red light. My kids have been out of the house. My oldest daughter's boyfriend came back from the reserve training, I guess, basic training. He's been gone 3 months, and she's been up his ass for 3 days. And my other little girl wanted to spend the night with this other little girl. So this is the 3rd day. And my husband is doing Ramadan. So he has switched to all night. He stays up and sleeps during the day, which... I don't know. And I said, we get in this big argument because I don't understand why that religion forces them to do that. When they're miserable, like, you can't really be around him until after he eats. I mean, he is just... So I said, just let's separate while you're on this, because you are mean as fuck. And on edge. Oh my god. Anyway. I don't know. So he's leaning me towards the sleep, but I don't want the sleep. I honestly don't want the sleep. I don't think it's gonna help. I don't know. You guys, I don't know. I want to get the room way. I just do. But hopefully God will give me guidance through all of this. And and yeah. It was looking like July to have my surgery. July, bro. So I don't know. Does not know. And then I called Las Vegas hotel where I was gonna, stay, and they said that they were going to be open, but I don't know. Like, I don't know. Is it too early? I mean, I'm not afraid of Corona. I'm not at all. Although I'm hacking right now. I need to take my fluid pill. That's what needs to happen. But, you guys, so that's what happened. I didn't record any of the weigh-ins or whatever. I gained like 8 ounces, I guess. Which, I don't know. Should I even be, but I haven't took my fluid pill for like a week since I've had the surgery. So I know that is water weight from just, and not being able to do anything. Like, I couldn't even, I've been in the bed, sleep. But I feel so much better. I feel like my stomach, I don't know, I can't explain it. I feel like I can breathe again, like, I don't know. 11 years with my stomach tied up, I don't know. So I'm gonna pick up my little girl, you guys, and I just wanted to give you okay, I was 292.6 when I had the surgery. I was 191.7. So okay, I gained like 13 ounces. I don't know how many ounces. Is that good or bad? But he was like, you gotta watch what you eat. You can't gain a lot of weight. Blah, blah, blah. But I'm not gonna gain a lot of weight. I don't know, you guys. It's just, I don't know. I feel like maybe it's gonna be a turnaround for me. I feel like I'm actually getting things that I want in life now. I don't know. And my husband pushed me so hard to go to this guy. Like, he put me off. Like, I put this situation off so long. I don't know. Anyway, I'm here. I'll talk to you later. Bye. I picked these up at Big Lots for my little collection of cute little lip balms. So cute. Coffee, caramel latte, hot chocolate, and Lucky Charms. So cute. I had to pick up my little girl in this neighborhood. I just thought it was really pretty. It's like quaint, and so I thought I would share the pretty houses with you guys. It's so peaceful and beautiful. Anyway, enjoy the little view. Honey just cooked a tomahawk cowboy steak, whatever you want to say. Yum, 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 yum. You gonna measure it?
It's a good piece.
It's a good piece of meat.
Yeah.
You a good piece of meat too?
Yeah.
Flowers to fill it up, but that was my flower bath. Yummy.